Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to download Dodo WebView. If you're finding it difficult to download the app Dodo WebView in 2026, I'm going to guide you through how to download it. If it's your first time coming across this channel, please try to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take, you need to open up your browser. If you're using an iPhone, you go to your Verify. I'm going to be using my Chrome to show you guys how to actually do it. So on my Chrome, all I need to do is to search for Dodo WebView APK. So search for Dodo WebView. You can go ahead and open up the APK. So go ahead and open up the link and download the so here you're going to clicking on the up to down here and download your Dodo WebView app. You can still go to your Play Store and search for Dodo. So for some people, it's not going to be available for your own region. As you can see here, the Dodo WebView is not available on my region. As you can see, these ones are not the main app we are looking for. So you can go ahead and download it on your browser using the up to down link. So that is on how you can actually download the app Dodo. If you found this helpful because of content very on this video, please hit to subscribe to the channel. Let me in the comment section as you find anything difficult on this channel. I want to say to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.